Application Equipment Product Specialist. For the TerraGator liquid system, the keypad at the reload station. We'll go through a few of the functions that are on here. First, on the display, there's two bar graphs on the top and bottom of the display. The top one is for tank level. The bottom one is for percent of agitation. In the middle of the screen is a display that we can change. So it'll go from tank volume, reading in gallons. We can cycle it then to engine RPMs, as well as pump pressure. For the keypads themselves, the first row, first switch, is for our main tank sump. Next to it is our product pump. The next two are the agitation, increase and decrease. Second row, we have front reload, sump valve, engine control on off, and then we have throttle increase and throttle decrease. Third row is our cycle switch that changes the display between tank volume, engine RPMs, and pump pressure. Then we have system lights, so rear system lights, and then the side lights. We have a system maintenance icon, which is not being used right now. The last row, we have our 1, 2, and A switches. The 1 and 2 coincide with the 1 and 2 found in the lighting keypad and the headliner. And the A is also the same as the A that is found on the B post. The play stop button is not used at this time.